How to activate Bitcoin on Cash App. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can activate Bitcoin on Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to activate Bitcoin on Cash App, it's very simple. Open up Cash App and just make sure that you're signed into your account, and once you've signed into your account you want to make sure to log into your account. Then you'll find this option that says verify your identity, so you need to come to the Bitcoin tab from the bottom right of the screen. So once you've done that, you'll be able to see this interface that says we need a little bit more information to enable withdrawals and deposits. So you can tap on the continue option that you can find there. So it'll ask you to select your main reason you use Bitcoin, and then select that and tap on next option. Select your main source of income, select that and tap on the next option. Select your employment status and then tap on next. And then you also want to make sure to enter your job title. So once you've entered that, your Bitcoin withdrawals and deposits are enabled, and once done you should be able to go ahead and then see your Bitcoin address, and this is our Bitcoin address. This way you can go ahead and then activate Bitcoin on Cash App. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.